Hi students, today we will discuss about binomial distribution. It is one of the distribution from probabilities of distributions. First of all, binomial distribution is also known as Bernoulli distribution because it is associated with the mathematician Jacob Bernoulli. He is the first mathematician who invented by binomial distribution. Here, if you take an example of random experiment, suppose if you say that event of getting heads is a success, let us say that the probability is P. In the opposite way, event of getting tails is failure and the probability of that failure is Q. Let us say that P is the probability of success and Q is the probability of failure. Then the sum of two probabilities, that means P plus Q is equal to 1. And remember this, always individually P and Q are lies between 0 and 1. Okay? Here P plus Q is equal to 1. Sum of probabilities of success and failure is equal to 1. And next point, in binomial distribution, the number of trials of n, that means the trials of random experiment is n, that is fixed only. The number of trials is fixed. It may be 5 or 10 or 15 and so on. Next, the trials of random experiment are independent and also mutually exclusive events. Here, if you take any trial of the random experiment, the trials are independent to each other. That means it does not depend to each other. So we can say that the trials are independent only and also mutual exclusive. And next point, in any random experiment there must two possible outcomes. The possible outcomes are success or failure. We are already know that success, probability of success is P and probability of failure is Q. So that in the binomial distribution only two possible outcomes. P of capital X is equal to R is equal to NCR into P to the power of R into Q to the power of N minus R is called a binomial distribution. Here capital X is random variable. R means number of successes, that means R is equal to, it may be 0 or 1 or 2 up to N. And N means number of trials in the random experiment. Already we know that P, what is P? Probability of success, and Q probability of failure, where Q is equal to 1 minus P, that means sum of two probabilities is equal to 1. Next, in the binomial distribution N and P, what is N? Number of trials, and P means probability of success, and these two are called parameters of the binomial distribution. And binomial distribution can be expressed in the form of Q plus P whole to the power of N. Here Q means probability of failure and P means probability of success whole to the power of N. N means number of trials. Next, mean of the binomial distribution, that is mu. Mu is equal to N into P. Variance. The symbol of variance is sigma square is equal to NPQ, N into P into Q. Standard deviation, sigma is equal to under root NPQ. The proofs of mean, variance and standard deviation are not in the syllabus. So this is the explanation of binomial distribution or Bernoulli distribution. Now let us see example based on binomial distribution. For a binomial distribution with mean 6 and variance 2, find the first two terms of the distribution. Here in the given problem, mean 6, variance 2 is given. We have to find first two terms of the binomial distribution. Now, what is given data? Mean. The symbol of mean is mu. Mu is equal to 6. The formula is n into p. And next to variance. What is the symbol of variance? Sigma square is equal to 2 is given and the formula is n into p into q. Now dividing npq by np. npq by np is equal to 2 by 6. By cancelling np get cancelled and this side 2 1s are 2 3s are. So we get q is equal to 1 by 3 and this is q is nothing but probability of failure. Now let us see p value. What is the formula of p by using q? We know that already 1 minus q. That is 1 minus q value already we know that 1 by 3. 1 minus 1 by 3, 2 by 3. That implies p is equal to 2 by 3. Now substitute p is equal to 2 by 3 in equation np is equal to 6. Here n p value 2 by 3 is equal to 6. By cross multiplication we get n is equal to 6 3s are 18 by 2. 2 1s are 2 9s are. So n is equal to 9. Now the formula for binomial distribution is p of x is equal to r is equal to NCR into p to the power of r q to the power of n minus r. Here we required first two terms, that means first term and second term. For the first term we have to take r value as 0, that is equal to NCR. Here already we know that n value 9, c, r value we are taking 0, 9c 0. P power r means p value 2 by 3 whole power 0. Q power n minus r. Here q value 1 by 3 whole to the power of 9 minus 0. That is equal to 9c0 is 1. 2 by 3 whole power 0 is 1. 1 by 3 whole to the power of 9. That is equal to 1 by 3 power 9. And this is the first term of binomial distribution. Now, second term. For the second term, we have to take r value 1. That means p of x is equal to 1 is equal to NCR. NCR means 9c1. P power r 2 by 3 whole to the power of 1. Q power n minus r. That means 1 by 3 whole to the power of 9 minus 1. By simplifying 9c1. What is the 9c1 value? 9. 2 by 3 whole power 1, 2 by 3. 1 by 3 whole power 9 minus 1 is 1 by 3 power 8. By simplifying this, we get 2 by 3 power 7. And this is second term of the binomial distribution.